Diese individualisierende Untersuchung eines Krankheitsfalles verlangt von dem Heilkünstler nichts als Unbefangenheit und gesunde Sinne, Aufmerksamkeit im Beobachten und Treue im Aufzeichnen des Bildes der Krankheit. सही है ना अभी फेंका तो नहीं so let's understand this. It says diese means this individualisierende means individualizing. Then there's a word Untersuchung, in English translated examination, but the German word unter means under, Suchung means search. So the individualizing, searching under, that is what he used the word, to search under. Eines means one, a. Krankheitsfalles, a case of a disease. Krankheit means case. Falles, case, Krankheit is disease, Falles is case. And this you have to remove, where I am giving general directions and all that, for which specific you will have to see in specific. So यहाँ तक निकाल देंगे. You can remove this. Verlangt, demands von dem, from the Heilkünstler. Heil means to heal. Kunst means art. So in English translated, demands of the physician. Wrong translation. Right translation, from the healing artist. In English, Untersuchung translated examination. In German, searching under. A very subtle difference is there. From the healing artist, nix means nothing. Als Unbefangenheit. In English, freedom from prejudice. In German, the word used Unbefangenheit means non-stuckness. To be not stuck on anything. हम अटक जाते हैं ना, this is pulsatilla, this is baraita. We classify, we get stuck. Unbefangenheit means non-stuckness. You can translate freedom from prejudice, but the word in German more interesting. Searching under is more interesting than examination. Healing artist is more interesting than physician. And Unbefangenheit, non-stuckness, more interesting than freedom from prejudice. Und gesunde Sinne, sound senses. Gesunde is health, healthy senses. Aufmerksamkeit im Beobachten. Sound senses, attention. Aufmerksamkeit means attention. In the military, this Aufmerksamkeit means stand in attention. Im Beobachten, observe, in observation. In Treue. Treue means und is and. Treue, it means to be true or faithful. In English translated as fidelity. Treue is to be true. To be true. What you see, exactly. No, nothing different. Faithful. Faithful to exact experience of the patient. Modality, sensation, detailing. Treue im Aufzeichnen des Bildes. Bildes means picture. Bild is picture. So when you say artist here, Heilkünstler, so it goes with making a portrait or a picture of the disease, Krankheit. Same word, disease. Aufzeichnen is to draw or to trace. Faithfulness in tracing, drawing the picture of the disease. So this much you, बराबर ना? So in this way, what it says is the individualizing, searching under of a case of disease demands nothing from the healing artist but non-stuckness, healthy senses, total attention in observing and faithfulness in drawing, tracing the picture of the disease. ये आप रट्टा मार डालो. And I've already diese individually ziehende Untersuchung eines Krankheitsfalles verlangt von dem Heilkünstler nichts als Unbefangenheit und gesunde Sinne, Aufmerksamkeit im Beobachten und Treue in Aufzeichnen des Bildes der Krankheit. And you have to speak with that German, every word should sound like an order. तो वो उनका वो रहता है, very like authoritative language. Yes, you try. What happened? I'm not going to shoot you. 2-3 days. Okay. Postponing. Then you will master it. कभी रात को भी उठाया तो डीजे इंडिवे से. Okay, very good. So next week, but without seeing. And you will tell the meaning also. आप रट्टा मारो उसको and understand each word, because this is exactly what we have to do in every case. What you should not do, interpret, theorize. What you should do, be exact. If this is here, this is here. If his nose is so big, nose is so big. Mouth is small, mouth is small. Hair is long, hair is long. Recreate the exact picture. And then match. What has got this long nose, this long hair, this here, here, here. You can begin anywhere. You can begin with all remedies for long hair. Then see which out of that has a long nose also. Then see which one matches the whole. Simple